5:16 right now on your Monday morning. We're dealing with a lot of rain out there, Rob.
Yeah, and we're continuing to kind of pile in that rain on top of all the heavy rain that we've picked up in the last couple of days. High risk for heavy rain heading through the rest of today, even into your Tuesday. And we'll put that flash flooding risk at a medium risk, and especially in those areas that have already picked up 2 to 3 inches of rainfall since Saturday. Severe storms unlikely today. We occasionally see a few cloud to ground lightning strikes, but just likely not going to see anything strong or severe when it comes to damaging winds. Temperatures right outside right now, low to mid 70s. It is warm. It is muggy. But it's going to be tough to make it up to 80 here all the way through the rest of today. We also have those low clouds kind of drifting through the area. So along with the heavy rain, those low clouds could also pull that visibility down. Take a look at Toyota Field as we look off to the east around I-565. You can see the lights on, the rain just coming down, just soggy conditions throughout parts of the city of Madison towards Huntsville. And it's 5:17. We're actually about 30 minutes away from the official sunrise. So that rain and cloud cover really keeping us pretty dark here, even 30 minutes from the sunrise. On the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, we've got this band of heavy rain moving through parts of Madison County into Jackson, DeKalb, and Marshall County. And if we switch over to the rainfall rates, this is showing currently how heavy the rain is falling. And once you start to get into these pinks and then into some of these purples, that is by far the heaviest rain that is falling. Some of that even extending through parts of Madison and into Jackson County. So if we put this into animation, you'll notice that most of this is gradually moving to the east, northeast at about 20 to 25 miles per hour, where we're seeing some of that heavy rainfall right now closer to the Gurley area. That'll continue to move to the east, again, just to the north of the Paint Rock area. Zooming in closer to DeKalb County, there's Collinsville, there's Portersville right there. Again, this is moving to the east, northeast, and occasionally where we're seeing some of this heavy rainfall closer to Collinsville around Interstate 59, I have seen a few cloud to ground lightning strikes. So on future radar and satellite, this is 7:30 here this morning. As you get into these yellows, reds, and oranges, that is moderate to heavy rainfall. So again, that's going to pull that visibility down to a mile or less if you're underneath that, even with the sun up. And that brings that ponding threat on the roadways as well as some flash flooding. You'll notice that some of the heaviest rain by about noon today starts to get nudged off to the south, kind of just south of Gunnersville and Fort Payne, but still bringing that flash flooding risk to parts of Marshall and DeKalb County. And then at the same time, we're also starting to see some scattered showers and storms trying to develop all the way through the afternoon hours. But finally starting to see some of that heaviest rain getting nudged to the south, and that's due to a cold front that's gradually sagging south through the next 24 hours. But it's going to be close enough even through tonight into your Tuesday that we could still see some developing showers and thunderstorms producing the heavy rain. You'll notice that big batch of showers and storms developing all the way through the middle of the afternoon tomorrow. Finally seeing that even getting nudged off to the south through your Tuesday evening. But look at this. This is rainfall estimates through tonight, 11 o'clock tonight, still putting down an additional 2 to 3 inches of rainfall for parts of Sand Mountain. Heavy rainfall for areas to the west as well. And then through the next 7 days, we'll continue to add on to that, but most of what you see on the map occurs in the next couple of days. 7-day forecast, highs again struggling to even get up to 80 this afternoon, 10 degrees below normal for this time of the year, mid-80s by tomorrow, and then back up to the upper 80s by Wednesday and Thursday. Thankfully for the trash pandas out at Toyota Field this week, we'll see those lower rain chances once we get past today, but even tomorrow, a little tricky with that first pitch at 6:35. Better chances for the rest of this new homestand, again, starting tomorrow.